Ang problema ho, ganito, para magkaintindihan tayo. About 4 or 5 years ago, nandito naman kayo sa mundong ito. Yung overflights ng intelligence ng Amerika, Pilipinas, France, lahat na, nakikita nila dyan sa South China Sea that something was brewing. Merong increased activity and slowly pinablish yun sa newspaper that there is something that they are going to build, parang bunk houses. And everybody knew it. Si Noynoy alam niya. Ang Amerika alam nila. Ngayon, over time, lumaki hanggang naging military garrison sa panahon ko. Ang tanong ko, bakit hindi nila sinita? In the first place, there was already a construction of a military garrison. Now there is the airstrip and everything. That was before my time. And yet America had it wanted to. Di pinuntahan sana ng mga barko niya at sinabi niya, "Hey guy, what are you doing here? You know, this is an open sea and artificial islands cannot be built on the high seas." Ganun yan eh. Bakit hindi pinara ng Amerika? At bakit hindi pumunta yung Navy at umistambay doon? Ngayon, sa panahon ko, kompleto na. May runway na, mayroon ng mga armaments, and vessels are there. Ang Amerika, pati itong sila Carpio, want me to do something. What will I do? As a matter of fact, when I went to China, the very first time, bilateral, nandyan sila Anyo, Lorenzana, si Bejaldia. Sinabi ko kay Xi Jinping, we are staking our claim sa aming economic zone. And we will dig oil in our territory because yung arbitral nakakaso nanalo tayo. Anong sinabi ni Xi Jinping? Nandyan yung mga military natin, Anyo, Lorenzana, Esperon, National Security Advisor.